Variations in non-native varieties of English are caused by different ways in which questioning systems are used and also the way in which question tags are used. Let's take a look at questioning answer system first. We have two types of questioning answer system in the languages of the world. One is called positive negative system and the other is called agreement disagreement system. In positive negative system, the answer, if the question is in the positive, the answer will also be in the positive, which means that the answer follows the tendency of the question, the polarity of the questions. If the question shows positive tendency, the answer will be in the positive. The answer which confirms the assumption of the question. The answer which disconfirms the assumption of the question will be in the negative. Whereas in agreement disagreement questioning system, the answer is always in the positive. Irrespective of the fact that the question is a negative, the answer will be positive. So it does not really follow the tendency of the question. So if the question is negative, the answer will be positive. The answer which is confirming the assumption of the question will still be in the positive. And this is done to show agreement with the questioner. Let's take a look at some examples which will make this point more clear. If we look at the positive negative system, let's take a look at this question. Isn't he coming? The question is in the negative. And so is the answer. No, he isn't. The same question, if we follow the agreement disagreement system, the question isn't he coming? Again, the question is negative. But the answer is positive. Yes, he is. So the answer does not follow the tendency of the question or the polarity of the question. The answer is always in the positive, showing agreement with the questioner. See, outer and expanding circle Englishes follow the agreement disagreement system. Most of the languages in the outer and expanding circle follow the agreement disagreement system, whereas English follows the positive negative system. This following of the agreement disagreement system by non-native speakers of English cause a lot of confusion. And this confusion is caused because it becomes difficult for the listeners to interpret the answer. Let's take a look at this question. Didn't you complete your work? And following the agreement disagreement system, the answer will always be yes. So didn't you complete your work? Yes. Now we do not know whether this yes means yes, I did not complete the work, or yes, I completed the work, unless we have a phrase like that's right. So yes, that's right makes it the meaning clear that yes, the person being addressed did not complete the work. So without that's right, only yes can be interpreted in any way. It could be yes, I did not complete my work, or yes, I completed my work. So this agreement disagreement system, when used with the people who follow positive negative system, causes a lot of misinterpretation, and sometimes these differences have led people or landed people in the court and ultimately in jail because they are unable to give the right kind of answer, or they are misunderstood by the court. Similarly, we see a lot of variation in the use of question tags in the outer circle varieties of English. We use question tags with question intonation at the end of a statement. For example, he's coming to the party, isn't he? So when the statement is positive, the tag is negative, and the tag takes the same verb and same subject. So he's coming to the party, isn't he? Present tense and the same pronoun. Similarly, Sarah has arrived, hasn't she? Again, the statement is positive and the tag is negative. And the tag uses a pronoun which is comparable with the noun used in the statement and the same verb, that is present perfect. In the outer and expanding circles, we see a general tag used in all kinds of situations. And that general tag is isn't it, or is it, or no. We see isn't it and no in different varieties of English, Indian, African, etc. But isn't it is a tag which is extremely common in Pakistani English. And you may have used it yourself many a time, or you may have heard your teachers use it with you many a time. So, for example, Hira will come next month, isn't it? Although the correct tag would be won't she. So, Hira will come next month, won't she? But in Pakistani English and other non-native varieties of English, a general question tag is used, which is isn't it? Similarly, he didn't pass the test, isn't it? Again, a general question tag is used where the correct question tag would be did he. The question is the negative and the tag will be in the positive. He didn't pass the test, did he? So we use the auxiliary verb from the statement and a pronoun that matches with the noun or the pronoun used in the statement or the question. He likes music, isn't it? Again, a general question tag, whereas the correct question tag would be he likes music, doesn't he? You're not going home, isn't it? You're not going home, are you?